We have been tracking the bald eagle population since the 1980s. All through the 70s and 80s, there was really just one nest left in New Jersey as a result of the population decline. That was attributed to DDT getting into the food chain. All through the 1980s, we conducted a restoration program that involved taking care of the one single nest that was still active in Cumberland County. We imported nestling eagles from Canada where they were not endangered and released them at a remote site in Cumberland County. And as a result of that, we sort of jump-started the eagle population. It was a very slow recovery at first. Eagles are very long-lived birds. It takes them a long time. But in 2021, we monitored almost 250 pairs of eagles in New Jersey. So it's really an astounding recovery of the population here. Our climber, he made the way into the nest. He was able to secure the nestling safely. We shoot for banding at 6 weeks of age, which is the best age for being able to handle these nestlings. He lowered the chick to the ground in a duffel bag. Once it's down the ground, we weigh, take a number of measurements, we take a blood sample, and then we band the chick. And we use two bands. One is a standard bird band and the other is a field-readable band. And those have been really important for being able to track eagles after they leave the nest. I really credit our ability to track the eagle population in New Jersey with our volunteer corps. We have over 100 people who monitor nests statewide all through the nesting season, which starts in January and goes until July. So it's quite a commitment. And these are folks who really learn a lot about eagles simply because they're out there and spending time watching them. They report on nests from Sussex County to Cape May County. We have eagles nesting in every county of New Jersey now. The Eagle volunteers report on their findings to Fish and Wildlife, but also we have the Conserve Wildlife Foundation that coordinates a lot of our volunteer efforts.